What's up, YouTube? Y'all saw the thumbnail. Yeah, we was over there sanding those doors today. So I got my new panels in. I don't know, did I show y'all my new panels? Yeah. No, I don't think I showed you my new panels. I'm gonna put you down and let you see my new panels. But change the plan. I got these custom panels for that truck. These are the tops that may not get used. Might put them to the side, sell them, do something with them, but these are the custom panels that you can paint or you can cover, but that's for the tops of the doors. So we over there now, we sanding all the doors down and we're gonna repaint them. I think we're just gonna leave the tops. We're gonna leave the tops we're gonna leave them just painted two-tone white and metal flake, gold metal flake. But here's the bottom. Hey, y'all like my Black Widow airbrush, custom airbrush kit. My wife bought me for Valentine's Day. I did a clip on a movie video on it, but that thing's pretty slick, y'all. I'm gonna do a lot with that thing. But anyway, here's the bottoms, custom panels. So I'll tell y'all what I'm gonna do with this thing. I'm gonna cover these. I'm gonna cover with this carpet right here. This is the style carpet I'm gonna run in that truck. I'm gonna cover them because the interior is black. Seats black, white stitch. I'm gonna cover them with this. And it's gonna be a cross. And when I get it covered, I'm gonna put something on. It's gonna go across right here on this thing. It's gonna go across right here. And it's gonna say something. But I'll let y'all see it when I do it, and y'all tell me what y'all think about it. But yeah, that's what I'm doing. And I didn't do an intro over it when I was over at Tim's a little while ago. We were sanding and stuff. I didn't do an intro because it was so loud, so that's why I didn't do an intro. But anyway, we were sanding all the fresh paint and sanding all the way down inside those doors. And we're gonna repaint them tomorrow, and because he's over shooting 2K on them now, gonna sand them and get it done so we can paint them tomorrow, and then we're gonna get them on the truck and get the truck home hopefully by the next few days, so I can start doing my thing and putting everything on it. And I'm gonna take the bed over there. He's gonna shoot the bed for me. So I guess I'm gonna shoot the white in the front, and he'll shoot the metallic, whichever way he want to do it. But I'm gonna shoot some of it. So that's what's going down. And yeah, so I showed y'all my wheel wood. I got the whole wheel wood for that truck. So should be stopping good. I got all new lines, everything. When I get it home, while I got the bed off and everything, run all them lines, and yeah, we're gonna get down. It's Big Fish 8, y'all. 8473. Got my big old jacket on out here. It's chilly out here this today, so I put this thing on and keep warm. And yeah, but that's what we do. We'll see y'all. Hey, it's Big Fish 8473. We're going to see y'all. Hope y'all have a good rest of the weekend. Stay warm and dry because it's been raining up here, y'all. I mean, monsoon raining. We'll see y'all. Have a good one. May the Most High bless you and yours for me and mine.